Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be making poppy seed almond crumble bars. To make our almond shortbread base, you're going to add 1 cup of salted butter that's been softened, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of light brown sugar to the bowl of a stand mixer. Mix on medium-high speed until it's light and fluffy. Next, you'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of almond extract. Again, you're going to mix until well combined, then slowly add 2 cups of all-purpose flour until a crumbly dough forms. Press your dough into the bottom of an 8x8 glass baking dish that's been lined with some parchment paper, leaving some of the parchment paper over the sides, a little overhang for easy removal later on. You're going to bake the crust in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for about 22 to 25 minutes or until the crust is lightly golden and a little dry to the touch. Next, you're going to combine 1 12-ounce can of poppy seed filling, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of wildflower honey in a medium bowl. Use a whisk or a spatula to mix everything together really well. Evenly spread your poppy seed filling over your shortbread crust while the crust is still slightly warm. Last, you're going to make your almond crumble topping by mixing together 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar in a bowl. Use a whisk to whisk everything together really well. Next, you're going to add 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's cold and cubed. And you're either going to use your hands or you're going to use a dough blender to combine the butter with your dry ingredients until a crumbly topping kind of forms. Then you'll add half a cup of sliced almonds and you'll mix that in with a spatula. Evenly spread your crumble topping over your poppy seed filling, and then you're going to bake these crumble bars back in your oven that's still preheated for 35 to 40 minutes until your topping is beautifully golden brown and firmly set. Allow your poppy seed almond crumble bars to cool completely in the pan before removing the parchment paper from the pan and lifting it out carefully. These are a fabulous dessert, afternoon snack, or with your morning cup of coffee. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.